it's our final takedown day after the degree show. Here's Charlie's work before he has to take it down.
Before I rip it off the wall.
Cry. Imagine me crying with this rainbow makeup on there. It will look like something out of like, not Lady Gaga's, but like something like.
Looks like something out of like Drag Race. Like easy.
She's saying I'm a drag queen,
I'm a
bitch.
queen.
Okay, so this is hilarious. This is like friendship goals. My best buddy Charlie is taking some incredible pictures of me posing. Also, I'm totally messing about. But this is where it gets funny, right? It's because we both wandered off to the door to speak to other students / our friends, and I forgot that the camera was rolling. Look at all this empty space. Kind of reminds me of all those chickens. Look at all those chickens. It's okay, I'm just, you know, wondering. I didn't actually film that. Okay, so let me start again. When people leave, they tie up the curtains in the building.
I'm
So
just
then
going
it's
home.
left.
Damn it.
Can't go home. This is where it gets real sad. Taking the work off the wall. One of the barriers that were holding the work up was hammered into the wall, and I didn't bring a hammer. I brought a screwdriver because my stupid self thought that I'd screwed everything to the wall. I had, except for one batten, and that one batten is the white batten in the middle of the wall that you'll see in this time lapse doesn't come down. Oh, and then Ruby came along and we had a good catch up and chat, which is funny because it actually made pulling the work down a little bit nicer. I think it was me, was it? All the work's off the wall now. It's here. If you can see, right here. Nigel hasn't gotten back to me. That seemed really weird, the placement of my hand there. Okay. So Nigel's got to be speaking to me about these canvases, but he has not. So here we are waiting. And we are back in the shed as always. I'm always finding a reason to sort my life out. But recently I started sorting out my shelving units, and well, this is the pile of stuff that's come out the shelving. It's not completely tidied. This shelf up here hasn't been looked at. This shelf over here, bless its soul. The shelf down there, can't even reach it. Okay, the only ones that have been tidied is this one here with all my storage. This one down here, this is really hard to do, with all my extra jars for painting. I've got books, and then down at the bottom I've got books and boxes. That's why you should order plenty of boxes online, because they are the most helpful storage boxes. And then I've got empty shelving ones too. But everything in like most of these sections has a home. It's just this. The paints have been sorted. See, so organised. This shelf has half been organised. It's got stuff on it that needs to go sell. There is a lot of stuff in here that needs to be sold. For instance, this poor car grill. I need to sell it ASAP. So here's the remainder of my foundation work. If you want to look at it, you might have to freeze the screen, I'm afraid. Here we go then. Final tour. I've got rid of all the rubbish on the floor, which means my parents' shelving can go there. But we got this top shelf sorted now. We got a box of materials. Start to sell. Many various boxes. That one needs to return at some point. Then sort it down here. Organised. I can reach my books that I will never remember to read. More art for sale there. Canvases galore. The car grill is now there. There's a stack of materials in the middle, and this one is my on the constant move paint. We sorted. So it wasn't the best video because I spent half the time talking to my father, and he doesn't want to be on the video. I can't blame him. So sorted. Now I can actually start selling stuff. A fun conundrum to have. I've got all my work on this trolley, and then here's a pile of work that I have to carry. Now here's another fun fact, is I have a lot of canvases at home. Ooh, sugar, sorry. And so my master plan is to destroy the triangle one more time. So we're gonna film it being destroyed one more time. This time it's not being saved, being sent to the non-recyclable bin. I'm sorry, bad triangle. I have master plans to make a better version because this one is like, it was a good first attempt, but I don't particularly like it. And the fun thing about art is you can destroy and recreate things as much as you want.
Reverse. Is he gonna get a run up?
There's a gizzard. Rizzo is stuck in the pipe. Here comes Gizmo. Might should do a turn in the pipe. Maybe Rizzo could join.
Calm down, Molly. Timothy.
Oh, here it goes.
Oh, Seth, you might need to give him a hand.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah, mate. He's like, got it again. So this.
Oh yay! Oh no.
Quick, quick. That's too quick. I know. No.